Hey, groovy guys and gals, happy Monday. It's Barry again with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a realistic TR-801. This is one of the most popular Radio Shack 8-Track players, an excellent unit. And customer just wanted it repaired, so let's make sure it works before we send her back. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Never coming back. Ooh, I'll keep you in bananas and grapes. You're an angel of love. It's your world. Bye bye, love. My baby's leaving me now. Am I really spread out and serve with a Humpty Dumpty monkey shine?
Okay, and that takes care of that. There's not much to test on it. Just make sure it plays tapes and does all its things. So, and incidentally, this comes from Anthony in Colonial Heights, Virginia. Thank you so much, Anthony, for your business from pretty much clear across the country. To reach me for service, guys, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order, and those questions will be answered as you're filling it out. And you're perfectly welcome to call me as long as I don't have to answer the same questions over and over and over from each new customer. I'd much rather you got your information, most of your information from the work order, and then if you do need to call me, it's for 5 minutes instead of 15 minutes, so I can stay on the bench and get the work done. So thanks so much for watching, listening. We'll see you guys next time.